How to create a YouTube channel on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a YouTube channel on your iPhone. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. First, head over to your YouTube and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you do that, head over to your profile section that's on the bottom right, tap on your U icon, and then after you're there, under your username, you should see an option that says create a channel. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, it will take some time to load, but it will redirect you to another page. Now here you can add your profile picture, you can add your name and your handle. You can edit your handle too. So let me just edit my handle, and if the name's available, you can just create the account. And after you do that, simply tap on create channel, and after you tap on create channel, wait for a bit, and there you go. It's that simple. You have already created your YouTube channel. Now here you can create content and post it. You can post the content that's already in your device, and yeah, that is basically how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.